Hello, this is Brianna, and I am going to be showing how to do question 4 from exam 1. So question number 4 asks us to solve the integral of sine root x in respect to x. So this problem will be solved using integration by parts, but we can't do integration by parts yet. First, we have to simplify the equation using the substitution method. So for our u, we're going to make it equal to the root of x. So that means our du is going to be equal to 1 over 2 root x dx, and our dx is going to be equal to 2 root x by du. So now that we have these, let's plug it in. So this is going to be 2, right? We're getting the 2 from here, and we can take that outside because it's a constant, by the integral of sine u. And notice how the root x here is equivalent to our u. So we can actually just multiply that through using u. I'm going to put it here in front to avoid confusion with the other u. And then this is going to be times our du. Okay. So now that we've done that, now we can use our integration by parts. Normally, I would do this in terms of u, du, dv, and v, but to avoid confusion, since we already have a u variable, we can do our integration by parts in terms of f times the derivative of g, which is this, is equal to f by g minus the integral of the derivative of f by g. Now, let's define our terms. So our f is going to be u. Our derivative of f is going to be equal to 1, right? The derivative of u is 1, but it's going to be times du. That's important. And our derivative of g term is our sine u. And then remember your du. And then g is the integral of this, right? We're integrating in order to get our g. And that is going to be negative cosine u. Okay, now that we've defined our integration by parts terms, we can actually plug it into our integration by parts. Remember to not forget the 2 out in front though. So I'm just going to bring it down so I don't forget it. So we're going to be doing 2 times f times g. So u times negative cosine of u minus the integral of the derivative of f times g. So let's put g in front, since our derivative of f has our du. So it's going to be negative cosine u by 1 times du. Okay. Now we get, when we simplify this, 2 times negative u cosine u. And now I'm going to take this minus sign here and put it out in front as a constant. So this is going to turn to plus the integral of cosine u du. Okay. Now from here, we can take our integral. So we have 2 by negative u cosine u plus, now the integral of cosine is sine, so that's going to be plus sine u. Now our next step is going to be undoing our substitution. So when we undo our substitution, we get this is equal to, here. This is equal to 2 times, remember our u is root of x, negative root x by cosine root x plus sine root x. And do not forget our plus c. And if you want to, you can add it here as well. I just had to add it at the end just to have fewer things to look at that can trip me up. So that is going to be our final answer. So yeah.